My name's Bob Mull. I'm a rep for Reed in the Philippines and Singapore. Right now, the Philippines is developing big time. A lot of their millennials are coming back to the Philippines, and they want houses, and they're putting up businesses and shops, and then of course the developers are building shopping malls, and this has Reed gear all over it. We're talking pipes everywhere. Singapore, it's about the size of Philadelphia, the whole country. But they're constantly tearing down their high-rise buildings and building new ones. They have a lot of water-type projects because they separate their water. Southeast Asia is constantly developing because they keep having more people, and they were I would say, suppressed for many years. There's oil, gas, there's water, there's marine, there's also aerospace. We're here to get from Reed what tools will work with what industries. Because these guys have about 12 product managers in different industries, and we need to tell them which tools they should be pushing. I also tell all the sales guys to tell people that this stuff has a guarantee. I have, in all these years now that we've been selling Reed gear, I have not had one warranty claim. Like, not one person has come back and complained about something. The one thing that impressed me the most was that I really like the people that I'm working with here. I tell people I'm selling to professionals, and I only sell professional tools.